Hello and welcome to this WJEC GCSE Maths paper for Unit 1, Non-Calculator Higher Tier, Summer 2019. And this is question 2. Complete the table below. Draw the graph of y equals 3x squared minus 25 for values of x between minus 3 and 4. Use the graph paper below. You must choose a suitable scale for the y-axis. So we have x values from minus 3 to 4, and we have y values with our equation, and the only one that is missing here is minus 2. So we need to work out y, and y equals 3 minus 2 squared minus 25. Minus 2 squared is 4, so we have 3 times 4 minus 25. Remember BIDMAS, so brackets first, indices, that's what we did first, division, well there's no division here, multiplication, there is a multiplication here, so we'll do that first. 3 times 4 is 12. And then add and subtract with BIDMAS. So 12 minus 25. Obviously don't have a calculator. You could probably do this in your head, but I always like to use my number line. So we've got 12 and we want to go 25 values to the left, or take 25 away from 12. So the difference here to get 25 will be minus 13. Minus 13 plus 25 gives us 12. So our answer is minus 13. Remember, BIDMAS is just the order of operations, so this is the order we need to do our multiplications in if it's not straightforward like it is here. So minus 13 for part A of this question. And now we need to plot these values onto our graph paper below. So minus 3 and 2, minus 3, 2. Okay, so there's no scale on the y-axis, which is this part of the question. You must choose a suitable scale for the y-axis. So what I'll do here now is look at the y values, and we have quite a big range. We have 2 all the way down to minus 25 and all the way up to 23. So we have 10 boxes, or 10 points along for a big box. So 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay, yep, so we can go 30 up and down, which is within our range, and minus 3 across. So I think that will work as a good scale, and then we can just use each little box as 1. So for our first point, minus 3, 2, 1, 2. Minus 2, minus 13, minus 2, minus 10, 1, 2, 3 is minus 13 just there. Minus 1, minus 22, minus 1, 10, 20, 1, 22 is there. 0, minus 25, 10, 20, 25 is midway along. 1 minus 22, so it's just the mirror image. 2 minus 13, 2 minus 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 and 2 is there, and 4 and 23, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3 is there. We need to join these with a smooth, continuous curve. So use a nice sharp pencil and draw a nice, smooth, continuous curve, freehand, joining all these points. It's quite hard to do with my electric pencil I've got here, so I did one earlier. I'm just going to move that up. So something like that. Obviously that point's the only point that's a little bit inaccurate, so if you could somehow join that point in as well. But what we're looking for here is a smooth curve and with these points correctly plotted. So that's question 2. I hope that's helped. Any questions, just leave a comment down below. Sorry about the line, it's quite difficult for me to draw a nice parabola with this pencil. But if that's helped, please leave a like, and thank you very much for watching, and keep up the hard work.